To edit permissions for new users in your system, here's how you'll do that. First, you're going to go to Admin, Config, CRM Screen Config. And over here on the right, you'll see that you have a couple of the permission areas right here, Default and Disc Jockey MC. Now, if you were to go into your user manager, where you can edit a user, you'll notice that there's a user group column right here, and you can choose what group you want to put this new person in your system as. Each of these groups, you can actually set the permissions to what they have access to and what they don't from right here. So for the default, if you put them in the default group, you can hide the quote tool, you can hide the client info, disable links, and even hide the orange payment box. If you want to dive down a little bit deeper, you can click on Edit Fields right here, and you can actually hide an individual field that you don't want them to see. If you don't want them to see who the hosting DJ is going to be, or you don't want them to see the contract notes, you can add that to the list and they will not see that question right here on the event record. It will hide that specific field. The other area of where you can edit your permissions is inside the user manager screen. So when you go into a user, you can edit it from here, and here you have access to the tools, reports, and dashboard widgets. All this is controlled by which category you put them in. Now, if you'd like to create your own user group, because right now you only have default, admin, and disc jockey, but if you wanted to create your brand new user group for your new users, you would come right back to where we were in admin, config, CRM screen config, and right here where you have default and disc jockey, you can come up here and edit user groups, and you can actually create a brand new group if you wanted to. New employees. Okay? And here is where now that you have a new employees category, okay, when you come back to your user group and refresh, you now have a new employees category right here.